Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the COO of Bank of America said that crypto could add value actually to banks. And in the interview, they discussing lending against crypto assets as a possibility. So, well, it's an interesting turn. Now, banks are not that much against of crypto. Of course, what can they do? The second news is all about that the New York mayor, Eric Adams, who was just elected, is saying that he would like to pay, take his first 3 paychecks in Bitcoin. Remember what the Miami's mayor said? He wants to take his paycheck as well. And now we have here a news. We have to talk about Shiba Inu a little bit because, guys, this is what memes coins are all about. Look at the dump, what's happening. So check it out. All this in today's video. And if you would like to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I'm bringing them for you. Check out the links under this video, many useful ones you can save money with if you register with those links to different kind of big exchanges. And also, there's a free course, how to start investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Just download it, and there are jam-packed information in it. And now when we're looking at the market, we can see that Bitcoin is still doing its sideways movement, $62,310 in the last 24 hours. It's a 0.5% decrease about. Ethereum, pretty much the same, sideways, 4,544. When we're looking at the leaders, okay, we have to check this. I'm not sure about that. Then we see Cadena, 23% up, OMG, 20%. Crypto.com also going up 20%. So look at these altcoins, they're performing pretty well. When we're looking at the losers, we have IOTEX at the top with 28%, Shiba Inu 17%, keep falling, Talcoin 13%. Okay, let's looking at Bitcoin candlestick chart. We can see that, we can see here a kind of symmetric triangle. And we should break out in one way. Now Bitcoin is doing like sideways movements for a while. And we had almost here a breakout, yesterday, but then it came back. So, well, look, this support level, it's still back to this. Is it now resistance? Will be or not? We will see, or it will go through. And then we have this support area, actually, where Bitcoin came back at the end of October. So this could be another support line or in this box somewhere because there are multiple support levels. What interesting is, if you're looking at Bitcoin's dominance, because Bitcoin dominance is, again, look at this, again falling. And if, I think, it could cross, if it cross this kind of support and breaks it and it goes under it, which means under 40%, that could be massive for alts, and then we can experience a very big alt season. So we will see how it works out. Okay, and now let's move on to the first news, and the first news is all about the CEO, what he said of Bank of America's CEO. What he said about crypto and banks relationship. Well, it's an interesting thing what's happening, recently with institutions and banks, how they approach now crypto. We do know that JP Morgan said back in 2017 that, I don't want to hear about crypto if I know someone who in the bank has some kind of, relationship with crypto, then those guys will be fired and so on and so forth. And then last year, big changes happened, and now they start to join JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, big banks, many banks around the world. And now there was an interview with him, Tom Montag, who is the CEO of Bank of America. And well, there were interesting things. So as Bank of America has begun looking more into crypto space, The bank's chief operating officer said he believes certain characteristic of blockchain and crypto could add a lot of value to banks. So this is like a new angle. Bank of America officially launched its cryptocurrency research division last month, so they're getting, really into crypto. When asked by Chaina's CEO Michael Groninger about crypto companies and protocols offering loans against crypto assets, Montag said he believes there is certain things that probably need to happen before Bank of America could enter the space. The CEO explained that the bank currently lends against art, houses, boat, and even railroad cars. He noted that if the crypto market shows more stability and less volatility, the bank could consider that in the future. So how interesting is that? You have your crypto and the bank will give you, basically money against it. Well, DeFi is already doing this, but yes, the banks might join this game. And just think about it. In that case, you don't have to sell your crypto. So maybe you would like to buy something, a car, for example. Then you get your loan against your crypto. Then you can buy your car and then pay it back simply. And then you can keep your crypto, and probably that crypto could go up. I mean, the value of it. Montag said that doesn't view the crypto industry to competing with the banks. That's also interesting. Rather said he considers crypto to be another asset class to a portion of people like for a variety of reasons. So think about it. Yeah, banks will be fine. Everything will continue just like this, and crypto will be just added to the asset list. Well, we will see how many fans of crypto will be in the future and how they could potentially turn away from banks joining DeFi and all these kind of things as this kind of DeFi industry develops and getting safer. So this is very interesting. But definitely these kind of statements from bank leaders are really strong. And to be honest with you, it makes the crypto industry even stronger and more mainstream. Because if it's coming from guys who people think they are important, then they might listen and they say, oh, if the bank is considering the idea to get into crypto, that I should as well, because until they were against it, well, maybe it's not that legal. If the bank's saying, then it's a cool thing. It's not anymore what it used to be. And yes, in that case, more and more people will participate. So that's an interesting thing. Okay. Move on to the next topic. Next topic is about New York's future mayor who said he would like to take his first 3 paychecks in Bitcoin. Now that Eric Adams was elected as a new mayor, and he will join the office in January, I believe. He's really for crypto. He's actually saying here he said that center of cryptocurrency industry, that's what he wants to make New York, the big apple. And now, funnily enough, they're competing with the mayor of Miami because, if you remember, then Miami Mayor Francis Suarez, who won re-election early this week, replied to the tweet saying that he plans to take his next paycheck in crypto. So that was like, he wants to take it in crypto, 100% in Bitcoin. Well, and now we have Adams to respond, one upon the Republicans' colleague in New York. We always go big, so I'm going to take my first 3 paychecks in Bitcoin when I become a mayor, and this will probably be in January. And there's like a funny war between New York and Miami, who will be like the most crypto city. And New York is a strong thing, it's like a center of the financial world. And now they have a mayor who is really for crypto. Yesterday's news was, if you remember, that he wants to have in New York the city and own crypto, and so on and so forth. So big things happening there again. And we are going this way, and it's, New York is doing this, and then other cities will join the game, making crypto even bigger. So Interesting times you're living in, but good ones. Okay, and now let's move on to the last one. And the last news is all about Shiba Inu. We have to talk about it because so many people FOMO'd in, so many people like Shiba, and now the price is dropping like crazy. You know, the danger with these meme coins are they are not really strong fundamentally. And when we see now that all the altcoins are going higher and reaching new all-time highs, Bitcoin is going sideways. So actually the mood is quite good in the market. But when you have a stable coin, a kind of shit coin, put it this way, what is Shiba Inu, then we see a big price drop because the price it went up to, it was unrealistic. And yes, of course, the same happening when actually Bitcoin reaches the top of the bull market, but you cannot really calculate what's happening here. Look, if you're looking at trading view here, then you see that basically Shiba, how crazy is that? Shiba went up. Oh no, this one I want, yeah. Look, from here, all the way up there, so 216% just from here, which was the 24th of October, right? Even here, from here, if you're measuring it, it's more significant. We can do that as well. Just go roughly about. So from then, it's more than 1,000%. From here, it's more than 200%. And now from here all the way down there, it's more than 50%. And this actually happened since the beginning of October. And this move happened actually 25th of October. Yeah, started. And now it dropped it to the 4th of... So basically we're talking about less than 10 days. It had it up and down movement. And well, and we actually in a old season, put it this way, because other alts are going very well. So this is a significant price drop, and I cannot really imagine to have, if everything is fine, many other cryptos going down so hard, which are strong fundamentally. So Shiba Inu, it was a big FOMO around it, and this is the danger with these meme coins, shit coins, or whatever you call them. Of course, Shiba is getting stronger and stronger as Shiba has this Shiba swap and all these other things. But basically what happened here is, you know, there was a guy, for instance, who had a kind of big chunk of Shiba, put in like a couple of $1,000 last year. That went up to billions, basically. And he's now moving it to different addresses, probably to cash out some part of it, and that made this kind of panic, and then Shiba started to drop. Yes, so guys, if you invest in these kind of coins, make sure, in my opinion, that at least you take out first, as soon as possible, the initial investment, and then as it moves up and up, always take out some profit, because it never goes, you know, forever. And when it drops sharply, and it pump and dump. So it's pumped up by social media, basically. It's very dangerous. I'm personally not in these kind of coins, but it's just my personal decision. Happy for you if you made these nice gains, of course, there's no question of that. But it's always a good lesson to seeing this, what's happening now, and think about it. If you buy something like this, then be aware of it. Okay, so this can happen. And can Shiba go up again and reach new highs? Of course it can. Pump and down. You will see. But yes, dangerous it is for sure. Okay, well, that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, smash the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, because Monday I'm back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. I wish you an amazing weekend. Have a good one. Bye-bye.